Just one short mile from the entrance to Grand Canyon National Park is the Grand Hotel, a remarkable three-diamond place of legendary hospitality. You can live, work, and explore here in Tusayan, Arizona, and have the experience of a lifetime. At Xanterra, we are a welcoming community who work hard, share a passion for the environment, and enjoy creating memorable experiences for our guests in some of the most beautiful places on Earth. Our employees and guests come from across the country and around the world. Being a part of the Grand Hotel community may be your once-in-a-lifetime chance to forge lifelong friendships with people from all backgrounds, ages, and cultures, and make memories that will last a lifetime. We value diversity, and we value the planet too. It's written in our mission statement: legendary hospitality with a softer footprint. That's why we're committed to greener, cleaner ways to do what we do. Our lighting is LED, and we use ozone technology in our laundry machines to reduce costs for employees. And we repurpose old towels by using them as rags. And we've got programs in place for recycling and stayover services. Experience community living in our dormitory or mobile homes, where you'll bond with people who share your interests and values. The dorms are located behind the hotel, and mobile homes are about 25 minutes away. Housing costs are nominal, and a meal plan is available. The hotel provides shuttle service to the Grand Canyon Rec Center, which offers a fitness center, computer lab, evening classes, and a variety of recreational sports teams. Options to join clubs and church services are also available. You'll have your choice of roles here in one of the most unique hospitality environments in the world, where sustainability and protecting the planet matter. Join the food and beverage team as a host, bartender, cook, server, or busser. Become a member of the rooms and lodging team, where there are opportunities for front desk agents, housekeepers, and housepersons. Or join the store team as a retail associate. Your job will come with perks too: free entry to the Grand Canyon and Arizona Wildlife Park, and retail discounts at the hotel, the Grand Canyon Trading Post, and at shops at the South Rim, as well as free rides on the Grand Canyon Railway. Since you'll be living at the gates to one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, there are endless possibilities for hiking, biking, camping, wildlife watching, and photography. Go river rafting on the Colorado River, or ride a mule along the South Rim or down to Phantom Ranch. Nearby towns include Williams, the mountain town home to the Grand Canyon Railway, or catch a shuttle and check out Flagstaff's historic downtown and observatory, or head into metropolitan Phoenix for a taste of city life. Seize this opportunity to discover a whole new world and thrive. Live, work, and explore at the Grand Hotel. Check out available positions at xanterrajobs.com.